Yan po, ilalagay po natin yung substance. Anong drugs yan? Canine Ryan.
Shabu.
Shabu. Okay. Methamphetamine hydrochloride ang ating gagamiting training aid ngayong itong session natin. Vehicle search. Ayan ang ating training aid, nasa underneath ng ating sa ilalim ng upuan. At ang ating performer ngayon ay si K9 Spock, ang narcotics detector dog.
Hindi mo po dyan.
Okay. Buksan mo kaya yung pinto, wag na no?
May kunting awang yan.
Gunting lang.
Search. Good boy. Search. Good boy, search. Good boy, search. Spark! Sparta! Search. Good boy, search. Malalim yata pag kalagay mo. Search. Good boy. Good boy.
Buksan mo pinto.
Good boy.
Hindi niya makuha, buksan mo pinto.
Search. 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 Yan ba?
Reward. Good boy. Hee-hee. Yan, binigyan na po siya ng reward. Ang reward niya ay tennis ball. Ito yung ating substance. Methamphetamine hydrochloride. Good boy.